Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from BDO Bank to CIMB Bank. So let's get started. So it is very easy to transfer. So here you have to go. So basically in BDO Bank, you can just transfer through your wallets and your other banks as well by scanning your QR. So first of all, log in into your account, then go for the QR transaction, tap on QR and select the which type of transaction you want to send money. Okay, then fill out the necessary details, then confirm your TPIN and biometrics and your transaction will be done. So by this way you can do it, and if you want to pay through the app you can do the same. So if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.